Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Okay, children, last class we have learned about energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protection giving food. Yes? Okay. Children, today we are going to see some examples for those things. Okay children, shall we start now? Yeah. Okay, see what is the first Roman? Name the following. What is the first Roman? Name the following. Okay, first one is 2 energy giving food. Okay, 2 energy giving food. Children, one has been done for you. Okay, one has been done for you. Like this, you can write examples for each according to the type of food. Okay, okay children, what is the first one? 2 energy giving food. What is the 2 energy giving food? Dal and nuts. Okay, dal and nuts. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Second one. What is the spelling for the dal? D-A-L, dal, nuts. N-U-T-S, nuts, dal and nuts. Okay, next one, second one. 2 body building food. Okay, 2 body building food. Okay, what is the 2 body building food? 2 examples are fish and chicken. Okay, fish and chicken. F-I-S-H, fish, chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken, fish and chicken. Okay, third one, 2 protective food. Okay, what are the 2 protective food? 2 examples are apple and carrot. Already I said. Okay, moreover vegetables and fruits are including in the protection giving food. Okay children, what are the 2 examples for the protection giving food? Apple and carrot. Okay, what is the spelling for the apple? A-P-P-L-E, apple, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, apple and carrot. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Fourth one, 2 spices. Okay, what are the 2 spices? Examples, 2 examples are chilli and ginger. Okay, chilli and ginger. What is the spelling for the chilli? C-H-I-L-L-I, chilli and ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger, chilli and ginger. Okay, next one, fifth one, 2 cereals. Okay, what are the 2 cereals? Wheat and oats. W-H-E-A-T, wheat and oats. O-A-T-S, oats. Children, I given examples for you, but you write your own examples, your own idea, okay, for each according to the type of food. Okay children? Okay, shall we move to the next one? Whatever you want to write, you write it here. Next one, who am I? What is the second Roman? Who am I? Who am I? Okay, here is a riddle for you. Okay, here is a riddle for you. You have to guess the answer and you have to write. Okay, shall we start now? Okay, what is the first one? What is the first one children? I come from a cow. Listen very carefully. Okay, I come from a cow. I am a white. I come from a cow. I am a white. I help to build your bones. Who am I? Shall I read one more time? Okay. I come from a cow. I am a white. I help to build your bones. Who am I? I hope everyone gets this answer. Shall I give you the one clue? It is a white color. Okay, very good. I hope everyone gets this answer. The answer is milk. Okay children, the answer is milk. What is the spelling for the milk? M-I-L-K, milk. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, second one, I come from a hen. I am a white. It also white color, but it comes from a hen. And oval in shape. And oval in shape. Who am I? I come from a hen. I am a white. And oval in shape. Who am I? Yeah, very good. I hope everyone gets this answer. The answer is egg. Very good. Clap yourself, clap yourself. Very good. Super, super. Okay, so the answer is egg. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Third one. I am a chill junk food. I am a chill junk food. Children loves to eat me. Who am I? Everyone like this dish? Yeah, I am a chill junk food. Chill junk food. Children loves to eat me. Who am I? Yeah, very good. Everyone gets this answer. The answer is ice cream. Okay, the answer is ice cream. What is the spelling for the ice cream? I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. I-C-E, ice cream. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Ice cream. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, fourth one. I am green in color. I am green in color. I fight against diseases when you eat me. Who am I? I am green in color. I fight against diseases when you eat me. Who am I? Yeah, very good. The answer is green leaves. Okay, the answer is green leaf. Okay, children, I hope everyone gets these and all answers. Okay, very good. Clap yourself, clap yourself. Shall we move to the next one? Okay, next one, match the following. Now we are going to match. Okay, now we are going to match. Okay, what is the first one? See, what is the first one? Chocolate. Okay, what is the first one? Chocolate. First of all, I read the question and all. Okay, fully you match it, then we will find the answer. What is the first one? Chocolate. Okay, chocolate. I hope everyone gets this answer. Okay, chocolate is a junk food. Okay, chocolate is a junk food. Okay, next one. What is the second one? Yeah, vegetable and fruits. Okay, what is the second one? Vegetable and fruits. Okay, vegetable and fruits. Which kind of food group? Which kind of food group, children? Yeah, very good. Vegetables and fruits is a protection giving food. Vegetable and fruits is a protection giving food. Okay, next one, third one, meat and egg. Okay, third one, meat and egg. Meat and egg is a which kind of food group? Meat and egg is a which kind of food group? Yeah, very good. Meat and egg is a bodybuilding food. Okay, meat and egg is a bodybuilding food. Meat and egg is a bodybuilding food. Okay, very good. Next one, cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses is a which kind of food group? Yeah, very good. Super, children. Cereals and pulses is a energy giving food. Okay, cereals and pulses is a energy giving food. Okay, last one, food. Food, very good. Food we must respect and care. Okay, we must respect and care by the food. Okay, we give a respect and care to the food. Okay, children. Okay, very good. Super. Everyone gets this answer. Okay, clap yourself, clap yourself. Very good, super. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Very good. Shall we move to the next one? Very good. Okay, now is the time for word wizard. Okay, now is the time for word wizard. Okay, shall we start now? Yeah, very good. Children, first of all, listen very carefully, then repeat along with me. Okay, okay. What is the first one? Country. Country. Say along with me. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Say along with me. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Okay, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Okay, next one. What is the second spelling? Region. R-E-G-I-O-N. Region. Say along with me. Region. R-E-G-I-O-N. Region. R-E-G-I-O-N. Region. Okay, children, what is the first one? Country. Country. Okay, second one, region. Region. Say along with me. R-E-G-I-O-N. Region. Okay, very good. Next one, third one, culture. 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 C-U-L-T-U-R-E. Culture. Culture. Okay, next one, fourth one, religion. Religion. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-N. Religion. Religion. Okay, children, see the difference between the region and religion. Okay, region is a different spelling, religion is a different spelling. Okay, don't confuse it. Okay, next one, fifth one, nutrient. Nutrient. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T. Nutrient. Nutrient. Okay, nutrient. Okay, nutrient. Very good. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Okay, very good. Next one. Okay, sixth one, children. Essential. Essential. We have to pronounce essential. Okay, essential. Essential. Okay, essential. Okay, very good. Second one, cereals. Cereals. Say along with me. C-E-R-E-A-L-S. Cereals. Okay, next one, pulses. Pulses. Eighth one, pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses. Okay, next one, diseases. Ninth one, diseases. Diseases. Say along with me. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Diseases. Okay, diseases. 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 Very good. 10th one, vitamins. Vitamins. Say along with me. Vitamins. V-I-T-A-M-I-N-S. Vitamins. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Next one, 11th one, muscles. 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 Say along with me. Muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S. Muscles. Okay, muscles. Muscles. Okay, next 12th one, bones. Bones. B-O-N-E-S, bones. Okay, next 13th one, nutritious. Okay, nutritious, we have to pronounce nutritious, nutritious, N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-U-S, nutritious. Okay, nutritious. Okay, nutritious. Okay, next 14th one, junk food. 14th one, junk food, J-U-N-K, junk food, F-O-O-D, food, junk food. Very good. Okay, last one, prevent. Prevent, P-R-E-V-E-N-T. Very good. Prevent. Okay, children, clap yourself, clap yourself. Okay, very good. You are a very good children. Practice these words with the spelling in your home. Okay, children. Now we come to end of our session. How we have to take up our body? Yeah, obviously by eating healthy food, no. So at least take 3 different colors of food per day and be fresh. Okay, apple, orange, then green leaves. Okay, like that, and colorful, like we have to look like a fruits and vegetable, like a colorful life. Okay, so I hope you are all enjoy this session, children. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizers, eat healthy food. Again and again I said, okay, avoid junk food. Okay, stay safe and drink plenty of water, children, especially hot water. Now we are in a pandemic situation, no, so drink plenty of water, especially hot water, and use restroom often. Okay, children. Okay, thank you so much, children.